Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So what we got going on today, going ahead starting on the floors. As you see here, I've done a little bit of grinding to make sure the machine works. We've had this machine over at my brother's house for the longest time, just sitting up. We had to clean the carburetor and everything, get it running. But yeah, so we're grinding the floors because when I had this concrete floors done, this thing was rough as crap in this section here, because this is the section he had to cut out, repair, and then he did it all in the rain and it was just all messed up. So we're grinding it smooth so it matches everything else. I've already made like 3 passes, and I don't know how well you can see on the camera, but you see it's still got these rough spots to it. But it's coming out a lot better than it was. Also, you can see there the cracks kind of screwed up where he cut them and edged them or whatever. So we're gonna grind all this. I got some crack filler and everything I'm gonna put down too to fill those in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work grinding. I'm gonna set y'all off to the side as always and let y'all listen to some music. All right. Okay guys, well that pretty much covers that. I got it all ground down. I just got to blow off all the dust and stuff and see how it looks underneath. Now this back section didn't need as much because like I said, it was already smooth, but that front section needed a lot. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get it blown off and see what it looks like underneath. All right, so we got it all ground down. Looks pretty decent, as best as I can get it. It's all nice and smooth. We're going to hit it with the pressure washer. That way we get the stuff that's down in the cracks and whatever residues, dust is done. We're going to pressure wash all that out. And then I'm going to get Rust-Oleum degreaser / floor etcher. And we're going to hit it with that and a push broom after that. And then we'll have to sit and let it dry. And then maybe tonight we can get some paint on it if it dries up. Alright guys, so that's going to be pretty much it for the prep work. Got it all cleaned up and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for part 2 where we're going to sit there and go ahead and put the paint and the clear and everything on it. So stay tuned for that one. If you like the content, remember as always, like and subscribe and check me out in the next one. Alright guys, have a good one.